Hey, good morning, fellas. We are live and it is Tuesday. Let's get it. Let's get it, folks. How's everyone doing? Good morning. Good morning, Perfect Play. Good morning, Nathan M., Timbo, Amakre, Vodkin, NP, Dean Bishop, Daryl, Black Coffee, Trader in the house. Here's Johnny. Jack Wiley, good morning, good morning. Let's get it. Who's ready for a green day? Me. I am ready. All right, market about to open. And the market is open for business. Ripping it higher right off the open here. Let's see if we continue higher. All right, let's see what happens. We just chilling. We had the overnight session. So the overnight session, we had a big move higher. The lows on the overnight session was 633, and we are now breaking out to the upside above the 800s. So really crazy move here in the overnight session. Let's see if we continue ripping higher and just blow the lid off of this thing. You never know. Maybe we see the 10, maybe we see 20,000 level. Maybe. Let's see if we get above the 1820s or the 820s, I mean. There we go, above the 820s. This is looking very bullish off of the open here. Looking very bullish. Hey, Martin, good morning. R5 Studios, good morning. Let's do this. Amakre, good morning. Ricky, Carolina, good morning. Ricky, good morning. All right, so let's see if we hold above the 820s here. Now pull them back a little bit. Man, I am in the mood for a nice move. I'm in the mood for a move. Just rip this thing higher and keep going. Let's put max pain to the bears. Max pain for the bears. That I would be in the mood. Let's see if we get above that 820. Hey, Amakri took that long, up 500. Hey, UCLA, good morning. Yeah, you're at the gym. Nice. Get that work in. Here we go, 820s. Now pulling back to the 805s. Now pulling back to the 800s. Okay, now pulling back to the 795s. The lows here, kind of got a pivot point here at the 780s. Pulling back quite a bit here. See if it holds the 780s. Is it gonna hold? Or are we just gonna rip right through it? See if the 780s hold here or not. Okay, here we go. 780s. Down to the 775s now. 770. Tested the 770s. All right, we're going lower, down to the 770s. Let's see if this is going to just keep ripping. $770, 765s. Looks like we're going to keep pulling back here a little bit more. Maybe. Feels like this might pull back a little bit more yet. Maybe test the VWAPs down at the 750s. Something like that. Or we could just bounce here and rip this straight up again. We have seen it. Okay, getting a bounce off of the 770s. Testing where we opened at 795s. We're struggling a little bit to get over that. All right, here we go. Let's see if we take out this 760, 765 area here. Let's see if we rip this. One day trader just passed my 100K Top Step account. Nice. Let's go, one day trader. Nicely done. All right, there we go. Down through the 760s. Taking that out. Now getting another bounce. See, is it going to keep selling off here? All right, bouncing off at 755s. I mean, this kind of, man, if I was trading if I was trading here at the open, I would definitely be looking for a long right here. It's just taking out some stops here, and this could easily be a trap for the shorts. But it could also keep going lower. $1,200 on 1 PA. Let's go. Nicely done. All right, let's see if we stair step it down. Or are we going to keep ripping it higher? Okay, let's see. Are we going to rip this or not? Can't seem to get above that 790 here, so I don't know. If we can't get above this, we might pull back more. Definitely a chance. All right, we might. It's kind of choppy. Pretty choppy right here. Let's see if we break above that 780s here. Break above the 790, 795s. Got to get some momentum going here if this has any chance. Yeah, I think we might go lower. It's struggling to get above that 790. Can't do it. Can't seem to do it. Okay, let's see if we break down here. All right, here we go. 770s. Oh man, it keeps faking out to the downside. Market can't decide what it wants to do. Keeps faking both directions. You know what I don't want today? I do not want nor need another choppy day. Okay, now we're all right. We tested the 800s. See if we keep going or not. And look at that. Now pulling back again. Oh, crazy. This market is crazy today. Very choppy price action right now. Can we get above the 800s? All right, are we going to, man, do something, market? We're literally sitting right at the open. 795s. Is it going to break here? Here we go at the 800s. Is it going to break? Okay, here we go. 800s. Is it going to rip? Oh my. I'm really hoping this rips above the 830s and gets some good, some nice long setups. That's what I'm really hoping for. And there it goes. It tried 805s for a second. We saw it for a second. Now it's probably going to pull back again. All right, now it's breaking down, going lower. Ooh, here it goes. Down we go. We just couldn't do it. Couldn't get above the 800s. Okay, let's see if we make new lows here. What a... Ugh. All right, sorry, I've not been reading chat. Hey, Tyler, here's Johnny, good morning. One Day Trader, I think I already saw. Con Adams, good morning. Rosie Rose, good morning. Shane, good morning. Yeah, if you see it, take it. I agree. Okay, here we go. Breaking down, making new lows down to the 740s. She's ripping it lower now. See if we how much lower will she go? Tested the VWAP here. Okay, we've put in the 15-minute opening range now. 15-minute opening range low is 757. Let's just wait and see. Oh. Excuse me. Hey, you made 385 and got off. Let's go, my ticket. That's great. That's a good idea. Yeah, market is crazy every day. That is very true. All right, here we go. Breaking down. Let's see. Are we going to break down below here or not? All right. Trying to look what magnet or what price is this looking for? Longer time frame here. I guess we could be going down to test the 700, 720. We could be looking at the 700s. All right, here we go. 724s, 725s. It definitely looks like we're going lower. So we might have to adjust our game plan here and look for shorts, I guess. Not crazy about that, but all right, we took out the 720s, took out the 710s. Yesterday's low was 529. Hey, good morning, Garrett. How we doing? Yeah, I don't see us going that low. Like I'm looking more like maybe like 700 level here. So, all right, maybe we keep going higher now. Shane was wondering why you were delayed and I didn't have it on live. Shane, design knob in the house. What's up? That was a quick three PAs flush down the toilet. No. Yeah, I would not recommend trading minis on a 25K account. Yeah, that is rough. You got to be perfect on your entries if you trade minis on a 25K account, especially at the open. Especially at the open. If you blink, you will wake up in the middle of a colonoscopy. It's not a great time. All right, trying to make a bounce off of this 710, 720 area. If we're just gonna stair step this down, um, man, it goes against my. I don't know. I guess we got to follow the plan. We also have FOMC tomorrow, so FOMC tomorrow, we could just see another choppy, range bound type of day like we did yesterday. If that's the case, I'm not opposed to trading those, but we just got to wait till we have an actual trend. Trend is your friend. All right, it's trying to make a move here back up to the 760s. Hey, good morning, Neo. How we doing? Okay, it's getting a bounce here. Is it going to do the V-shaped reversal? It is putting in some moves here. Now, let's see. Let's see if we stair step this down, or is this just going to keep going higher? Okay, pulling back. Is it going to make new lows here? That's what I want to know. Just hold on and we'll find out. You know, this looks like it might. It looks pretty bullish. Getting bought up here. Might trap some shorts. Might trap the shorts right here. And now going lower. Man, I want to. This is feeling. Actually, we are also testing this 15-minute opening range low right here. See if we rip above the 770s. Got to get above this 770 area now. Oh, it's just going to be choppy today, isn't it? Urgh. It's feeling like it's going to be a choppy day. Hey, there she goes. Above the 770s. Let's see if we keep going. Can she keep going? Yesterday we had a lot of false fake out, like fake breakouts and stuff. Might happen more again today. Hey, Edgar, good morning. Good morning. Hey, Trade Bum, you requested Apex payout last night and you got approved this morning. Let's go. That was awesome. That's awesome. I have heard of a lot of people getting approved very quickly, so that is good news. That is one thing that Apex has been saying that they're planning on wanting to do is expediting the approval process. So good to see it actually happening. You as well, Aitken. Let's go, Aitken. You were approved as well. Nice. I love it. I love it. All right, there she goes, testing the 780s now. It looks like we might have this V-shaped reversal move. Now, for me to be really getting in on this, we need to get above that 820s. In my opinion. Heard one guy got approved on Sunday and in the bank on Tuesday. Hold it. Let's go. You submitted Sunday, you were approved yesterday. Nice. I love it. Let's see some more of that, Apex. No more of these video requests and all this BS. Let's just submit, approved, and move on with life. That's what we need as traders. Wow, this is ripping higher. All right, we got to. This is what I wanted. This is what I wanted. But we got to continue here. Just rip it, rip it. Okay, market back to the 785s. Man, it's just going higher here. Oh. Okay, struggling a little bit to get above the 790, 800 here. You can do it, market. You can do it. We're right. This is where we struggled to get above the last time. Right here at the 795s, 800s. Hey, Cycling Grandpa, let's go. Thanks for the intro to Apex. You're the man. $7,500 payout on 525Ks. Let's go, Cycling Grandpa. You are the man. I love it. That makes my day, man. That makes my day. But you are the one that deserves all the credit, man. You are the one pulling the trigger. So thank you, and congratulations. Let's show some love for Cycling Grandpa. I love it. I love it. Let's go. Whatever you're doing, Cycling Grandpa, don't stop. Don't stop. Just keep doing exactly what you're doing. You're doing great. All right, we tried that. We tested that 800 level and immediately pulled back 20 points. That's an interesting strategy there, Cotton. Let's see. Is this going to pull back now, or what's the plan? I just don't want this to go like up, down, up, down. I want this to keep going higher. I really do. Just keep going up. Go up, baby. Come on, get above that 800 level and keep going. Keep going. Keep on cycling. Exactly. Do you have to have a stop loss and take profit showing when you enter a trade? Will it break the rule if you don't? No, Shane. Nope. You can have a mental stop loss. It's not, that is not something that needs. Oh, wow. Look at that. We're above the 800s. 805s, pushing the 810s. We're about to make new highs here on the day. Let's go. Full V in progress. Yeah, this is a full V-shaped move. Is officially happening. But yeah, Shane, you can have a mental stop loss. You don't have to have a target or a bracketed orders. I do, but you don't have to. Here's Johnny. That's right. Is anyone trading Buellnox having massive delay executions today, Timbo? Yeah, I'm not. I guess I'll let the chat say I don't use a Buellnox. All right, 800s. Come on, keep going up. Don't end it now. Don't pull back now. You scalp really fast. Yeah, you should be fine. The main thing, Shane, to keep in mind is they're going to look at your profit to loss ratio. And if it's really skewed, that could cause issues, but that's basically what they look at. So if you have a $400 to $500 average loss, and an $80 to $100 average win, that could be like they want a 4-to-1 or 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio at minimum or at max, I guess, however you want to say that. All right, come on, get through that 800 level. It's probably going to pull back here a little bit. That's okay. We just cannot have another V-shaped move on top here. We can't have that. You want to go back to Apex, but that scares you? Yeah, I mean, if that is an issue, then yeah, maybe Apex isn't for you. If your average win loss ratio is worse than that, then yeah, I would be, yeah, maybe Apex isn't for you, which is okay. There's plenty of other prop firms out there. All right, above the 800s, pushing 810s. Well, come on, rip it, rip it, rip it. We're definitely bullish here right now. Now, let's see if we break the 810s. Here we go. Can she do it? Three winners in a row, Trip Moses. Nice, nice. Uh-oh, sounds like Buellnox is having some issues. That's unfortunate. That is not fun. All right, down to the 800s again. Can it keep going? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Breaking above the 815s now, testing that 820 level. Can it keep going? And now pulling back to the 800s again. It's definitely putting up a little bit of a fight. Putting up a little bit of a fight here. As long as we don't have a V-shaped move, I'm fine. We just can't have a V-shaped reversal here again. I'm afraid, actually, I'm a little bit concerned that that might happen. Oh, look at that rip lower. See, right here, this is where I'm concerned. Big move lower right there. Down to the 780s. Now we just gotta wait now. Yeah, not that big. Exactly. That's how this market can be brutal. All right, maybe we keep going here. See if we get some. I don't know. I feel like this might. I'm scared this is going to V shape all the way back down now. I don't know why. I'm just. With FOMC tomorrow and just all that crazy, volatile, choppy market. Come on, market. Just keep going up nice and clean. See if we get above the 800s here. A speed racer in the house. Good morning. How you been? How you doing? Now we're just chopping here at the 800s. Is it going to roll over or is it going to keep going higher? I did not know. Hey, Trusty Tran, good morning. Also, if you didn't see, dropped the top 10 video finally last night. Finally got the top 10 video for August done. We had some technical difficulties. I was having a difficult time. Getting everything to export from the payouts list, but we finally got it fixed. Hey, Traderist Chick in the house. Good morning. How we doing? We posted that rhythmic issue on the Trustpilot. They don't replace accounts. They don't care. Just want the money. Yeah, professional day trader. The problem with rhythmic is, like I've been saying, they do not care. They do not care because they kind of have a monopoly on the industry. So, you know, they really don't care. And that is an understatement. It is always up to the prop firms to fix the accounts, not rhythmic. Or I've never seen or heard. Hey, there we go, breaking out above the 800s now, pushing the 810s. Let's see if we get above the 820s. Oh man, it's trying, but it's just struggling here. Definitely just no trades here for me. We chilling. Yeah, Bob means Fast Track. They've reset a lot of accounts. Apex has reset a ton of accounts as well. Yeah, but I don't know if Buellnox resets accounts or not. I don't. I've never traded with them, so I do not know. But it's always up to the prop firms to reset the accounts, and Rhythmic never takes responsibility. Rhythmic never takes responsibility for it. Prop firms likely get rebates from Rhythmic when Rhythmic has issues. I should find the email on Rhythmic. Someone forwarded me an email, and it basically had a cost breakdown. Like if you want to start your own prop firm, the guy, it wasn't me, but a guy sent Rhythmic, asked for information for, hey, I want to start a prop firm. What are the fees? And Rhythmic sent them the breakdown of the fees for, setting up to have their prop firm. It's crazy. It is not much money, okay? As far as it's not that much. It wasn't as much as I thought it would be. Let's create a server and give Rhythmic some competition. Trust me, Trader's Chick. That's actually what I would like to do instead of starting up a prop firm. I want to start up something that competes with Rhythmic. and we'll set up servers the right way and have big enough and good enough servers that you can handle, 100,000 people taking trades on it at a time. All right, now pulling back again. Oh, man, I'm not a fan of this. As long as we don't V-shape move this, we're okay. But if this starts pulling all the way back down, I'm going to be sad. I'm going to be sad because that means I should not take a trade. Here we go, down to the 780s again. Ay, ay, ay. Is it gonna keep going? Probably should walk away before I do some damage. 325Ks, 250Ks. Oh, no, design. Yeah, just walk away, design. Go out and touch some grass. Go mow your lawn. Go work in the garden. I'm not sure. Do something. Just don't make it worse. Or be a full degenerate and just keep going. I guess that is the other option, but I would not recommend that. The D-Gen fam. The D-Gen fam. I tuned into 0 Day J's stream. Actually, no, I didn't have a chance to watch it live, so I just kind of scrubbed through it a little bit. And I heard yesterday that Fast Track Trading, I don't know what to call those guys, but they were infiltrating his chat. That was funny. Oh, that was too funny. They were infiltrating his chat, and Jay was giving them the full load, man. Hey, thank you, Rob Moores. I appreciate it. Hey, Mooncatcher, is Fast Track Trading legit? Here's my take on Fast Track Trading. It's very simple. It's very simple. I mean, so far, obviously there's been some red flags, okay? There have been some red flags. But they have, for the most part, from what I see, they pay out people, which is important. The owner is a liability, okay? Anyone that is going out and calling people the N-word is going to create a difficult road as a business CEO, as an owner, as a business owner. You can't be doing that. And he doxing customers, that's not okay. And then just generally how he speaks to the customers, and also how he, like, there is a certain standard. For example, he mentioned that they will extend a sale if they get X amount of 5-star reviews. I mean, there's kind of a line there as well where you don't. Anyway, it's like, those are concerns, okay? Those are concerns. My biggest concern is that they don't have credit card processing, okay? And regardless what Scott will try to tell you, as a business owner that deals with credit card processors, trust me when I tell you, there is a reason he doesn't have it, and it's not because he doesn't want it. Okay? He's trying to come across like he doesn't want credit card processors because he doesn't want chargebacks. Well, no, that is not a legitimate concern. It really isn't. Because here's the thing, with a credit card processor, it protects the customer. But it protects the customer to a certain extent. But if you have a customer that buys a product and it's like they bought the product and agreed to the terms, and then they want a refund and they don't have a legitimate reason for the refund, as a company, it is pretty easy to dispute and to show that it was a legitimate purchase, and therefore they won't get refunded. For the most part, most credit card processors, now American Express is known for, businesses don't like working with American Express because you can show legitimate purchases and they will still not, they won't back you. So American Express is a little bit of an outlier, but any other credit card processor, we've never had any issues, and they've been extremely easy to work with. So, I mean, they keep saying that they're getting credit card processors, but until they do, I have a hard time taking them seriously. I have a hard time, I'm not personally going to use them until they at least have a credit card processor. Because the thing is that in order to be able to accept credit cards, you have to submit financials and you have to submit your business plan. Basically, you have to submit what you do as a business and your financials to the credit card processor, and then they will approve or deny you. So if the credit card processors are not approving them, like, there's a reason they're not approving them, and it's because things don't look right. And that's why I say that that's why I say I don't. And hopefully they do. Hopefully they get credit card processing and, they change whatever. I don't mind, but some of that stuff is just what it is. It's red flags. He has some financial in his background that doesn't allow him to process credit cards. Well, I saw that too. I saw that Scott has active lawsuits against him. Like, again, the owner of the prop firm, I don't care which way you cut it, is sus, okay? The guy has a shady past and he's sus. And that could very well be why he can't get a credit card processor to sign up with him. And if they have and if they have concerns, then I think it's legitimate to at least have some red flags. All right, market, we cannot seem to get above the 810s. Again, I'm not looking for a trade here until we get above the 820s. We need to get above the 820s and actually hold it in order for me to be looking for it. If you have a good credit cards, I'm more than happy to give you a merchant account and make some money. Exactly, Jamie. See, like the credit card processors, they want to approve you. They want you to use credit cards. They will do everything they can to make it so that you can. So when you get denied, there's usually very legitimate reasons for it. So again, he's made promises that credit cards are coming, yet they keep not happening. So until they have credit card processing, I have a hard time taking them seriously. Even though, I see people getting paid, which is great, and I hope it continues. But until then, we chilling. I ain't looking for a. That's just, and I don't think that's a hot take, and I don't think in my opinion anyway, I think that's fair. I know people probably running into his Discord. Oh, Nutty Bar's talking. Anyway, that's what Jay was saying last night. I thought that was so funny. Oh, it was too funny. Hey, no problem, Mooncatcher. Again, this is just my opinion. This is just my opinion. And if people want to, I don't blame people for I don't blame people for using Fast Track or trying them out. But be aware of the red flags so that you're not completely shocked if he rug pulls. Because if he rug pulls, you're not getting your money back. The ACH, the wire transfers, and paying with crypto, there is almost zero recourse. If he does do something like that, you will not get your money back. So be aware of that. And if you're aware of that and you're still good with it, then hey, I guess knock yourself out. I wish you much luck. All right, we got to pull back again. We need to get above that 820. Until we get above 820, we are not going to entertain any trade here. Because this here is just a chop fest. Oh, man. But if I was a consultant for Fast Track Trading, here's what I would do. It would be pretty simple. I would advise Mr. Scott to hand over the business to someone else. Someone else with not a shady past and someone that actually understands how to operate a business. Yeah, exactly. Fuhurar. Owner might dox me. Uh-oh. Yeah. I wish he would dox me. He needs a handler. Yeah, something like that. You want to trust a guy who talks like that and has a lawsuit against him with your personal information and your, yeah, exactly. Yeah. Anyway, again, to each his own, you know, some people look at all that and they're like, those aren't red flags to worry about. I'm in. Hey, that's you. Go for it. But if you're aware of the red flags, then I don't feel bad. I do not feel bad at all. People that don't know the red flags and think, you know, they just listen to, you know, then I'm like, hey, Lawrence in the building, scalping with Tom. Good morning. Anxelo, how many funded accounts do you have year to date? Year to date? I'm not sure. I'd have to go check. Probably like 80, maybe more. That's got to be close, though. 80 to 90 total for the year, like year to date. Oh, man, this price is just absolutely miserable. I think we could do either or. I think we could roll over here and test the lows again. If we do, I'm not, it's going to be disgusting. I'm not going to be happy. He's awesome. You like his no BS attitude. There you go. If you're into that, I guess knock yourself out. Just don't be shocked if he does something stupid someday that will freeze all accounts and stuff like that. Then just accept it and be okay with it. Because you gotta take the good with the bad. You can't have one or the other. Oh no, Dean. Hey, we still have a chance. As long as we hold this pivot point at the 780s, I wouldn't be too concerned. But once we go down below this 770s, I think we could be down to test the 700s. But we shall see. This market is pretty crazy this morning. Too many crybabies in the space. There's ways to handle it. There's ways to handle people that are crying and causing issues. There are professional ways to handle that and unprofessional ways to handle it. So, my opinion. And there we go, down to the 60s. Maybe we get some support here on the 760s right here at the opening range low. But man, we just could not get above that 810 area. We could not do it. Feels bad. Ah, man. Take the good with the bad. There you go. If you're okay with that, that's fine. Yeah, it seems like an awesome stand-up guy. Man. I don't blame them for closing the Discord. I don't blame Apex for closing the Discord, but I also hold Apex accountable for creating the environment that was in the Discord. They created, at least the mods created an environment in the Apex Discord that made it basically invaluable. It was completely pointless. The Apex Discord was pointless, and a large part of it was because the mods were unprofessional and didn't know how to speak to their customers. And I mean, I'm not okay with that either. Okay, can we get a rip here? Is it going to do it, or are we just going to roll over? We're bouncing off that 760, 757 area. Will she keep going? There's still hope. If we can rip it here, there's still hope for the bulls. $790s. Come on, just rip it up into the 820s and let's get this over with. You can do it. Yeah, I agree, Dean Bishop. Let's rip it. Rip it. 790. Okay, about to test 800s. There's still hope here. But man, what a choppy price action here the last, 30 minutes? Definitely not ideal. There's still hope to get chopped up like an onion. True. Okay, here we go. 800s. Can she keep going? Okay, we're above the 800s. It's got some potential here. Can we get through that 820? 801s. Come on, market. Just do it. Been blue balls all week. Yeah, Eric. I agree. We've been blue balled. Come on, 8. Come on, just go higher already. This is probably just going to chop all day long. It's going to make me sad. Let's see. What is it going to do? If we just chop down again to the 770s, I'm going to lose it. Come on, rip it. Rip it above the 820s and let's take a trade. You can do it. What is today? Today is the 17th. Yeah, Matt. Today is ugly. Ugh. Absolute ugliness here. Not really. It ain't great, man. It ain't great. Feel like it's going to break here, though. I got a feeling. Got potential. Okay, here we go. Come on. Push above the 810s. You can do it. Yeah, go ahead, trades. Yeah, I almost would take, right now I would take that. This is where it is really difficult. It's really difficult for me to be disciplined. Really difficult to be disciplined and to not force the trades. You just got to be patient. There we go. 815s. Come on, market. Do something. Okay, we touched 820. What is my setup? I mean, oh, there we go. Oh, there she blows. There she goes. What? Oh, my stars. That's a breakout right there. Whoa. Whoa, Nelly. As they say sometimes. Whoa, Nelly. There she goes. All right, we touched the 840s. Okay, so now that we've broken out and we're in an uptrend, now we are finally, we can start looking for a setup. We are looking for a long, obviously. Looking for a long trade, but we need a pullback first. A nice, healthy pullback. Rip that baby. Man, that thing broke through the 20s and just broke through for 20-point rip. If you had a short, you were, that was not fun. Now, will it continue? What a move. Hey, Dean Bishop, did you get your 820? Did you hold? Huge rip. $840s, $844s, $845s now. She ripping. See if we break through the 845s here. All right, getting a pullback. We touched the 850s. Okay, getting a pullback here. Man, I was hoping I could get a little better. See if this is gonna just rip and make new highs. Hey, let's go, Dean Bishop. Let's go. Yeah, that big green candle, that was crazy. That was a crazy breakout. Oh man, I wanted this pull back to like the 820s would have been ideal. It's all right. We can be patient. We have patience. And now pulling back. Just gonna be patient here. We need some consolidation here or need a little bigger pullback. If it goes without me here, that's okay. Hey, family lunchtime. Everyone's watching Nutty TV. Let's go, Diego. Hi, everyone. Hope you're having a good lunch. Hey, good luck, Timbo. Good luck. And now pulling back a little bit more, down testing that 820. So we shall now be patient. This is where we have to be patient. Excuse me. Now we just need a good entry signal. Need a good entry signal here. Not on this candle though. Okay, pull them back. See, we don't have a good entry signal yet. We almost have to wait till this candle closes and then the next candle, possibly. This could now rip without me. Come on, man. It might not give me an entry here. I'm not going to take my entry all the way up here. I'm just not doing it. Neo, isn't it same as ICT? I guess I don't know. Okay, so like right here, that would be my entry. This is where this stop is a little bit more than what I'd like. Probably coulda, shoulda, maybe traded micros here. If this fakes out now, I'm going to be sad. Don't do me like this. Oh, and it's doing it. Wow. Just immediate fake out. Feels bad. That's a classic fake out. Just ripped, immediately ripped lower. Ah, man. Oh, that hurts. Right down below the 820s now. Oh, excuse me. Right down below the 820s again. Let's see if we're just gonna keep pulling back here. We're down we go. All right, I guess we just wait. Oh, Yeah, we got blue balled. Yeah. The stop loss looks good for a DCA. Not anymore. Any reliable Balkan trader? Not that I've found, no. We're just continuing to pull back. Crazy, man. Down we go. This is, I guess this is what can happen in FOMC. Did kind of a fake breakout and then just ripping it lower. It feels bad. Man, we're just selling off, ripping it lower. Yeah, I guess it was go and trades. We're kind of getting stop run on both directions. This was one, and now this is one. It's, I guess, what you can expect on the day before FOMC that can happen. Now we're just coming, I don't know where we're going, but we're going lower. Down we go, down to the 780s again. Crazy, man, crazy. Wow, this is a huge, down to the VWAP again. What a rip lower. Man, I almost want to jump. Man, I'm about to jump in here. Oof, what a crazy move. I gotta stay out of that. What a crazy pullback. Wow. Absolutely crazy. Man, sometimes I hate the market. You want a long here with a short stop loss? You could. There's my healthy pullback. I'm not sure I consider that healthy. I think that's very toxic pullback. It's a very toxic pullback. Man, this thing just trapped me, a perfect trap on my setup. Ay, 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 ay. But right here, this is why we have stop losses and why we don't DCA. That's a good example of why. When did you start with your live accounts? These accounts, oh man, I think I've traded these now for, I think it's over 20 days, actually 25 days, something like that. If you get approved for payout, they take the money out of your account, but then you blow the account. Are you still getting your payout? Yes, you will still get your payout. Do we take the trade off the VWAP? This trade right here, this was not part of my trading plan. That was a chase, and thankfully it worked. But I probably should not make a habit of doing that. But let's see. Maybe we get a bounce here. Maybe looks like it's trying. All right, let's see. Is it gonna keep rolling over here? Well, I don't know what to do now today. Hey, Neo, you're done for the day? Nice, nice. I mean, I don't want to play the downside yet. We're bouncing right off of this VWAP, and we could easily just now make new highs. I'm not really in the. Hmm. I seem not in the mood. I'm all right. I mean, what's all right? I'm just trying to, I'm just kind of bored. There's not much I can do here. I have the urge to trade, but I'm trying not to, trying to stick with the plan, trying not to chase this move. Just trying to review some of this. I mean, I really don't, I wouldn't do anything different on this trade. We took it, didn't work, basically is the summary of it. Just got to take the L sometimes. Hang on. Don't worry, guys. I've not lost my mind. Just give me a second. I need to I need to sign into my son's Meta account. We're doing VR trading, folks. Hang on, what does it say? /. Is it? Let's see. What is the code, Kevin?
Didn't realize I can't see that.
Oh, yeah.
That you can just take your controller, grab it, and put it over there.
Let me see if this works.
If I lose my Gorilla Tag account?
If he loses his Gorilla Tag account, we are going to have problems. Man, I should maybe we should do VR trading, huh? Yeah, I think. Are you done with your school?
Yes.
You're done with schoolwork?
Yes.
Okay, so that means you are ready to do math?
No! I'm about to go with Mom to go shopping.
Okay, now I hope your account. I hope everything is here.
Let me put the headset on and see. Because I am not about to lose my Gorilla Tag account and die.
What is the market doing? Hang on.
Dad, just go into my apps.
Yeah.
Okay, what color? What color? Red.
All right. So we got that sorted out, thankfully. Things would have possibly turned a little crazy. All right, would have been the gorilla, all his account, everything is still there. So he's a happy boy. Are they homeschooled? Yeah, Sarith, we are. This is our first year. This is our first year that we're actually homeschooling. The main reason is because we're going to Florida for the winter. It didn't really work to pull him out of school. So we're trying homeschooling for the first time, which is the nutty professor. So I teach math and science. I teach math and science, which is actually I enjoy it a lot more than what I thought I would. All right, are we going to make a move? We're just making a move higher now. Bouncing off of that VWAP. Hey, fitnesses, thank you. I appreciate that. Bless you as well. Blessings to you and your family as well. All right, market. This thing feels like it just is going to keep ripping higher. Hang on.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, bud?
I'm Cody.
Oh, you are too funny. What? Yeah. It's not hot. The coffee isn't hot anymore. Yeah, scalping with the trend is so much more effortless than against. Exactly, I agree.
Not.
You want to see?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can see it's hot.
There you go.
Okay.
What are you trying to do?
Trying not hot.
Oh, you.
It's not hot.
No, it's not hot. Don't talk. Don't leave it green. Have to leave it green so they can hear us.
Yeah.
Can you say hi to everyone?
Hi everyone.
And look at that. We're back above the 800s. Man, it is tempting just to scalp this. Oh. It seems like we're just ripping this higher now.
That's a way to let go to the top.
You are funny.
I want to go to the top. I want to crash. I want to go down.
It goes down.
Yeah.
Yep. So what do you think? Does it like go up or down? You're a little bit silly right now, aren't you?
No, I want to here.
Yeah, I know. So did you do your schoolwork?
Yeah.
What letter did you learn today?
The C.
You learned the letter C.
Yeah.
So what sound does it make? What starts with the letter C? Can you say a word?
Word.
A word that starts with the letter C?
Cat.
All right, bud. Yeah, now. Here, tell him bye. Tell everybody bye.
Bye, everybody. See you later.
And we're back. I love kids. Yeah, our eldest he's turning into a teenager, and I'm already starting to see some of the very challenging times that we're gonna be in for. It's gonna be a good time. All right, hang on. I need to give me a second. All right, are we gonna oh, hang on. All right, now we're back. Oh man, this market all the way down to VWAP again. Oh, excuse me. What is this market right now? Man, I could almost justify taking a trade here, which means I shouldn't. Are we gonna? Wow, look at that. Just gonna rip right back off of that VWAP. Impressive. Man, I don't know. Something tells me I should just shut her down for the day and not try to keep trading this trash. It just doesn't. Ugh. Everything it's chasing, yeah, it is trading ever after. I feel like it's just ugh. Just feels very yucky today. Yeah, yesterday's session was also not exactly great. I mean, the worst it's just I mean, my setup, what I trade, if we break out and then we immediately V-shape reverse back down, 90% of the time I'm going to take a loss on that. So it's just part of it. It's just part of trading. You just got to take the L. But you know what? You know what's actually kind of cool? Even though we have a $270 loss per account, I don't I'm kind of totally okay with it. I'm totally okay with it. I do not really feel like I have to keep trading. I was hoping I could get another setup, but shut it down. It's difficult. My fear is I'll shut it down and then we'll get a breakthrough and a nice trading. But I really don't think we will. I think we're gonna go sideways. Go sideways to choppy and very kind of violent moves. And if that's the case, yeah, I'm kind of okay just chilling out. We do not need to trade. We do not need to trade this. Hey, Shockwave, how we doing? We're doing all right. We took one loss today. We got faked out. We got faked out right here. I mean, this was a picture perfect. This was a great trade or a great entry. I'm not upset about it. We just got faked out and it is what it is. We took the L. Now, let's see if we continue below VWAP here. Is it going to keep ripping? We keep bouncing off of this opening range low, which is the 757s. If I'm taking any more trades today, I was literally just debating that if I actually want to keep trading or not. So, not sure. Part of me, I want to just shut it down. But yeah, now we're just continuing to go lower. Very choppy. Let's see if we take out, we might take out the 720 low. All right, 760s. Let's see if it holds. If we rip through the 757s here, you got to think we're going to take out the 710 low of day. I'm just going to watch yet for a little bit here. But I am not excited about taking a trade. Any duck race today? Probably not. I don't really plan on it. Yeah, FOMC tomorrow. Better just stay away. Exactly. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Yeah, this is gonna see if we get below this 757. See, this is what I like. Part of me, I want to do just this as soon as we break below it and do a breakout trade, but ugh, I feel like it's not worth it. It's too risky. Lower highs and higher lows. Yeah. Should I be concerned? Got an email on 9/5 indicating payment was sent to the bank, but still haven't seen anything. On 9/5. Was that for the payout period for when? Rosie Rose. So you were approved. Okay, look at that. Now we're going to rip lower. Watch. See if it wants to go. Gosh, I want to. Hmm. For the September 1st through the 5th. I mean, I would be. So sometimes those emails are not always exactly accurate, I've discovered, but the payment should have gone out on the 15th for sure. And you should have it in, they say 5 to 7 business days to allow for it to hit your bank, depending on what kind of bank you have. So 5 to 7 business days after the 15th is when I would start to. Is this your first payout, Rosie Rose? If it is, I would just make sure that you have the banking information correct. But if you've gotten payouts before, then obviously that's not the problem. No one told us it's a 2-minute race, Peter. Yeah, I do. I kind of remember that. All right, let's see what we do here. Is it gonna go lower? All right, man, it's just not doing anything. Are you states or through plane? I guess I'll wait a few more days before sending a ticket. Yeah, actually, that's a good question as well. Is it from the states or from? Hey, Almighty in the house. How you doing, Almighty? Good to see you. Good to see you. All right, let's see if we lose the 750s here. Okay, here we go. 750s. Is it gonna rip down below? Nope. Looks like we're going to bounce. It does want to hold this 750 level. the way it looks. Well, you know what? Okay, you're in the States. Okay, good, good. And okay, yeah. Yeah, then I would just wait a little bit. But I've had that happen to me, Rosie, where you get the email that the payout is sent, but it really, yeah, that's not always accurate. But guys, I think I'm going to call it here. I'm just not, I don't think I'm going to get any nice setups. Just not in the mood to trade this, really. We'll take our L for the day, and we'll live to breathe another day tomorrow. So I think I'm going to call it there, folks. A little bit of a short stream, but I don't want to sit here and just not be enticed to take trades. I'm going to shut it down and close my charts. No stream. No trading off stream for me. So anyway, take care, everyone. Hope you guys all have a great day. I hope you all stay green. If you're not green, I hope you get green. And we will be back tomorrow morning. Take care and God bless.